Hi Mashion, my name is Nusair Teli. You are in my kitchen today and हम बनाएंगे आज butter chicken. So basically this is about 500 grams of chicken which we're just going to leave to marinate thoda sa while we prep everything. You can leave it overnight. And it's all chicken thigh by the way, because अगर आप white meat use करोगे that'll just dry out. And that aside, let's make the spice mix. प्याज काटनी है. एक और प्लेट चाहिए. Regular oil. We'll start off by putting in our chicken. Yeah. Now, इसमें with the chicken, the one thing you have to realize is like अभी से इसको घुमाना नहीं शुरू करो because then it will not brown. जैसे मैं बोल रहा था ना कि सारा आपको flavor build करना होता है, तो flavor काफ़ी इसमें ही भी है. Alright, कढ़ाई change. Medium to high. You don't want it too hot. Oil again, because obviously this dish is made in butter, but आप मक्खन को इतना like you don't want it to smoke up and all, right? And this is butter that's unsalted butter, because obviously आप सारा salt control करोगे. अभी से salt कर दोगे, then don't add any extra salt. If you're using salted butter like or margarine जिसमें वैसे ही होता है. Now it's time we're gonna add the masala. At least मैं recommend करूँगा at least 1 tablespoon to you start off with. And you don't really need itna because you're gonna add cream at the end. अब I'm gonna add नमक. You don't want to add too much, वरना फिर end में ये होगा कि नमक तेज़ हो जाएगा and फिर again comments आएंगे कि नमक तेज़ है and फिर again Mashion मुझे blame करेगा, फिर वापस आने नहीं देगा. Now I'm gonna add chicken. थोड़ा सा मैं इसमें पानी डालूँगा, तो just थोड़ा सा ही डालना है कि just helps it cook better. The last thing अभी के लिए is lemon. ये 10 मिनट ढक के till the chicken is cooked. We are good to go. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा अपना I'll bring it on this side so it's closer. Like to make it a proper butter chicken, दो चीज़ें करना ज़रूरी है. एक तो we need cream. The reason I'm turning off the heat and everything is because आपको you don't want कि ना cream फट जाए, because वो फट जाएगी, it'll get sour, it'll get grainy and it's not gonna happen. So I'm gonna put about 2-3 tablespoons. You can put as much or as little as you want. I have put that much, it's about 2-3 tablespoons, and just mix that through. And the final thing, मैंने कहा था इत्मीनान रखें, मक्खन और पड़ेगा इसमें. You want the butter to be relatively cold and you're going to put it in as much or as little as you want. I've put, I think that 2-3 चम्मच. There have been times I put a lot more. It won't be like ना मक्खन की सिर्फ तय ऊपर है. It's actually part of the sauce with the cream and everything. So we are good to go. Now obviously अगर आपको ऐसा है कि ना मुझे थोड़ा इसको और smoother चाहिए, finer चाहिए, तो आप इसको मसाले को अलग से like stick blender जो होता है उसमें डाल दो या जग में डाल दो. Now this is optional. Normally ये and roti and we're done. But because this is the internet, थोड़ा सा you want topping के लिए, and I'm going to try not to make a mess of this. I'll just put a little bit of dhania on top. You don't need to put a lot, but I just think it looks nice, and I'm going to just finish off. And there you have it, butter chicken. I hope you guys like this recipe. आप ट्राई ज़रूर कीजिएगा. Tell us in the comments below if you like it, and अगर आप बोलोगे अच्छा है तो Mashion मुझे वापस आने देगा. And just like, subscribe Mashion, and I'll see you guys next time.